Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based mini store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We are dealing with all exclusive varieties of sarees and dress materials. Okay, so we all are hand stocks only. So we will be dispatching on the same day. We have the dispatch cutoff as 4 p.m. as of now. So before 4 p.m. if the payment is clear, the dispatch will be happening on the same day. If the payment is made after 4 p.m., the dispatch will be happening on the next working days. Delivery time is 3 to 5 working days. Okay, so we will be using the DTDC or delivery courier service as of now. So COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. Today I have two sets of collection. One is a brocade cotton silk sarees and the other is two sarees in Chanderi block print, which is unsold sarees. Okay, so I will start with the sarees. Okay. So this is the first one. This is a brocade cotton silk saree. Okay, the full saree is full brocade work, and you have a rich look on the saree also. So the borders, you have the zari work. Okay, the small size border in the upper end and the bottom it has the 5-inch border. The both are zari work. In the center it's full satin work. Okay, it's a thread work, it's not the zari work. In the center it's full of thread work, and border alone you will be having the zari work. Okay, but you have the rich look in the saree. The entire saree has the rich look. Okay, this is the first pink color in the saree. I will show you the pallu. These sarees are priced at 750. So this is the pallu. Okay, even the pallu is full thread work. It's a satin thread work. You have the zari feel, okay, but it's not zari work. It's a thread work. Only in the borders you have the zari. This is the pallu. You have the blouse piece like this. Okay, full brocade work. The saree and the blouse, everything is a brocade work. So this is the blouse piece. You have the design like this in the saree. Okay, I will show you the designs. Okay, this is full of thread and this is full of zari. Okay, so this is the pallu and this is the saree design, full saree design. It's a very lightweight saree. It's easy to blend. It won't be rough. Okay, it's very easy to blend. You can blend it nicely. Draping will come very fine. Okay, so this is the first saree. It's a pink color. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking. Hope you can able to see the designs clearly. This is the pink color. Okay, the same design. I have 4 more colors. I will show you the details. Okay, this is the first saree. It's a pink color. The design will be same for the next sarees. Okay, so this is pink, and the second one is a magenta color. Okay, sorry, yeah, magenta color. So the same kind of design, and this is the blouse piece. Okay, this is of magenta color. Very lightweight, easy to blend sarees. Okay, this is magenta color. It's a brocade work and you have the blouse piece. Okay, they have the blouse piece in the same color. The color will be same, but it will be having a very rich look. So next one, same design. So I will quickly walk through the design, walk through the sarees. So this is a green color. Okay, it has a shiny look as well. So this is the green color. This is how the saree will be looking. Okay, it's a green color, not blue color. Okay. So the next one is a purple shade, violet shade. Okay, This gives very rich look. Okay, in a best price. Okay, 750 rupees. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking. It's a violet shade. Okay, a light difference is coming in the video. Okay, so please refer to the pictures before placing the order if you want to order this saree. Okay, this is a purple shade. This is a violet shade. Okay. All my collections are listed in my WhatsApp catalog. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I am repeating 9150556870. In that profile, if you check, there will be a field name as catalog. Okay, I have list all my available collections in that catalog. So you can verify there for all my collections. Okay. COD is available. COD is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So this is a blue color. Okay. And this is zari border. The borders are zari, but the body part is fully thread woven. Okay. It's not zari woven. This is a blouse piece. Okay. But the feel you will be getting is similar to the zari woven. Entire zari woven feel you will get. But the center body work is done with thread. Okay. The material is very soft, easy to blend. So these are the colors. I will just showcase you the colors alone. So the blue, violet shade, green, magenta. It's not maroon, it's magenta color. Okay, it's a dark purple with pink composition. This is a pink one. So these are the 5 colors available in this particular collection. All of them are priced at 750 rupees. Okay, shipping charges is extra. So the next one, I'm having 2 sarees in Chanderi block print, priced at 900. So it's the fabric is Chanderi, okay, and the printing is block print. So this is the body part. Okay, it's a fancy type. You don't have the borders. It's a very tiny zari border at the end. Okay, full block printed, and you have the pallu in contrast. And this is the blouse piece. The fabric is Chanderi. It will be very soft. Okay, it's a soft Chanderi fabric. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a green with yellow composition. So this is how the saree will be looking. I will show you the saree feel. Okay. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a green with yellow composition, priced at 900 rupees. Full block printed. Okay, it's a full block print. I hope you can able to see the printing. Okay. Very lightweight again. And very soft as well. So the same design, I have another color. It's a maroon with yellow. These are unsold sarees from my previous collections. Okay, priced at 950. Okay, the same kind of design. It's a maroon shade. Okay, maroon with yellow. So this, I will show you the look also. Both come together. Yeah. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a maroon with yellow, a different color combination again. So these sarees are priced at 900 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. It will have the feel of an onion pink as well, dark onion pink as well, but it's a maroon color actually. So these are the sarees I have for today. Shipping charges is extra as I have said earlier. COD is also available. COD charges is extra to the product and the shipping cost. Okay. So we will be delivering using DTDC and delivery. Both courier services are available as of now. So this is the collection. By Monday I will be coming up with another set of collection, maybe some dress materials. So thanks for watching. Please like my page and keep supporting. Thanks all for all the support. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good day.